नवे वर्स आनी सनबर्नाच्या फाटभुंयेर गुळे वखदां विरोधी पंगडान वेगवेगळे कडेन घातिल्ल्या धाडींनी आतां मेरेन 9 जाणांक अटक केल्या, अशी माहिती गुळे वखदां विरोधी पथकाचो SP हांणी दिली। मेळिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण सनबर्न सुवातेवेल्यान 5 जाणांक अटक केल्या। तशेंच पर्रा घातिल्ले धाडीन दोगांक अस्नोड्या केल्ले कारवायेंत गांजा सयत एकल्याक धरलो, जाल्यार 2.5 कोटींची चरसा सयत पोर्तुगेज नागरिकाक अटक केल्या।
In the last few days, ANC has conducted several operations, so I'll be sharing the details. So in the first case, the team of ANC conducted a raid in Perne area in 12 ITA, so in which we found in which we got a person, a local, a Goan. In his possession, we found ecstasy and some ganja, charas. So the total value of that was around 7.7 lakhs. So this is a commercial case. And in the another raid that we conducted in Parra area, we got a Nigerian, and we got around 12 grams of cocaine in his possession. And जो third important है कि सनबर्न में we were conducting tests if anyone is consuming any narcotic drugs and all. So we conducted several tests. So we found around 5 people who tested positive. 4 of them tested positive for ganja and 1 for cocaine. So we have registered a case against all of them. And two more information I want to share with you. One is that 2 months back we had registered a case of ganja, 13 kg ganja. So the main supplier was, we were after him. So this person was from Palamu, Jharkhand. So of late, in the last few weeks, with the help of technical surveillance and all, we dragged him down. And with the help of Palamu police, we arrested that person. Our team was sent there, and the team brought that person there. And we had gotten 5 days police custody of that person. And last thing is that recently we got to know that Delhi Police Crime Branch has arrested 2 people from Goa.